Hello everyone, welcome to yet another aftermarket analysis video. So Nifty has opened up with a gap up opening of about 100 points, and then it came down drastically from intraday high. That was around 1:30 p.m. Let's check why this has happened. So this is the Nifty daily chart, and as you can see, there was a kind of inverted hammer formed in Nifty 50. So the opening was good. There was a buying pressure in the opening 2 hours, and then it took a sideways market for about 1 hour something. And around 1:30, when the European markets got opened, our Nifty 50 index fall drastically. Maybe this is due to the FII selling, which starts from 1:30 after the opening of European markets. So let's switch it to 15 minutes time frame, and as you can see, we started up here, and then there was a good buying pressure, and then we were in sideways market. But after 1:30 p.m. We fall drastically, and the top losers for today are majorly banks. ICICI Bank was there, HDFC Bank was there, Axis Bank was there, and Maruti Suzuki fell about 3%. Tech Mahindra has been falling down continuously for the fifth day, and today Power Grid also fell. Hero MotoCorp also fell. So all the banks were giving good results, and today also Kotak Mahindra Bank came up with good results, and there are many public sector banks which are giving good results, but still there was selling pressure. This is majorly due to FIA selling, in my opinion, because after good results, no retail investor will sell the stocks. So the top gainers was about NTPC, UPL, Sun Pharma, ONGC, and IndusInd Bank. Still, Wipro sustained to be in green zone, and Mahindra and Mahindra was in green zone. One IT stock like Wipro is in green zone, and other IT stock like Tech Mahindra is in red zone, and one auto sector stock, Maruti Suzuki, is in red zone, and Mahindra and Mahindra is in green zone. This is kind of a fluctuating market, and it is better to be quiet and watch the market what is happening. So yesterday's global market indices were not that good, and we expected a fall, but to our surprise, we started off beautifully. But once the European markets were open, we fall drastically. So let's now check Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has touched the support zone of 38,375, and then it fall down. Uh, Almost all of the banks out there has given their results, and all of them were positive, but still Bank Nifty fell like anything. So there are only two reasons for the fall today, in my opinion. One is FIA selling, and second is budget fear. So people are getting confused on what the budget is going to come like, which sectors are going to get benefit, and which sectors are going to get affected, etc. But still, the FIA sold about 5,000 crores today, but DII has bought about 3,300 crores, and this is continuously for the third day. They have sold about 5,000 crores FIA. So I don't know whether it has happened before in the near future, or even before Corona. So you can check the global market today. The Nasdaq is currently trading at minus $26, and all the European markets were in a negative trend, and SGX Nifty also closed at negative point. So on Monday we can expect a negative day, that too just one day before budget. It is going to be hugely volatile. And if US market and European markets are closing at a neutral level, we may see a positive trend in Nifty. But I don't think that is happening. And with Union Budget coming on Feb 1st, I think the market is going to fluctuate like anything. Exactly what it happened today. Even if we open positive, we may change into negative, and if we open negative, we may change into positive. Anything can happen. So take your trades with good caution, and only trades which are giving a low risk for you, and with good risk reward ratio. So that's it for the video, guys. Let's catch up tomorrow, and please make sure you are subscribed to the channel, you are liking this video and sharing it with your friends. Please do join our Telegram group where we are posting stock market news instantly, and make sure you are following us on Instagram. Thank you.